Hey everybody, playing some Kingdom Come Deliverance today, and had an interesting save. So I'm in the starting area of Skalitz, how do you say it? And what I did was I killed everybody in the main town except the essential characters. And it's kind of interesting. You can kill Zbishek, which you wouldn't think you could, because you would think he would just show up when you come back to this town, but I'm not sure. I'm going to come back to this town on this save and see if he shows up and make an update video on that. But as you can see, I've killed everybody in the town, I've looted everything, and I also leveled up my skills. So if I look at my stats, see I have strength, agility, vitality, really high, and then in combat I decided to choose mace. I also leveled my polearm skill, which you can't currently see in the game, it's bugged. But the polearm does insane damage. I could have kept leveling my warfare skill, but just to get the against all odds perk, but it's really not necessary. And then I guess the furious perk, but this is not necessary. You'll see Henry just destroys everybody with this polearm. And then, I have lockpicking and stealth because I used stealth to kill the guards initially. And then lockpicking, I had to pick all the locks to steal all the items. So what I'm going to do at this point is go and get a pitcher of ale. And I'll actually have to bribe Bianca. She hates me because I killed everybody in the town. I don't really know why she's got to make such a big deal out of it, but I guess this is how it is, and that's one of my friends over here. You can't kill your friends.
That with that weapon?
See, he won't even let me. He's pretty jealous because I have a halberd, and these weapons are insane. Once you level up your skill, it is just, you'll see, it's just crazy. But it also helps I have my strength maxed out, and I also have, the important strength perks. Just going to review them real quick. I had got, I got all of them except Boar and Headcracker, and what's really important, I think, is Heavy Swing, 20% more damage. It just does so much damage, it's crazy. And then I had got, Brute, and some other stuff to increase my strength. It shows I only have 20 strength, but I should have much more with all the perks and everything added up. So here's Bianca over here. We'll go talk to her.
Beat it!
And you see, she doesn't like me, so I have to bribe her. And that's fine. And then I gotta get my ale. Sadly, the only downside of the polearm is, first, it's super buggy. You can't put it in a stash. You can't, I understand that you can't sheath it, because where would you put it? You have to hold it. But, you can't put it in your stash. Your only option is to drop it on the ground if you want to store it somewhere, and then hope that it stays. I don't really know if items disappear in this, but hopefully it doesn't. But yeah, it's a little buggy, but other than that, it's definitely probably the best weapon in the game. And especially when you level up the skill, which you can't see your current skill level, but I know mine's pretty high. To level my skills, I found, I don't know where he is, Kanesh, and I just kept beating him. He went unconscious, and I just kept hitting him, and all my skills kept going up. So let's see, we're going to talk to Father, and whatever, start this. And I have some lockpicks, because I already tested this after I saved Theresa.
Let's see what kind of job.
You'll see, she's going to go and hide inside of her house. So the idea is, I need to lockpick that door, and I want to see if she'll even talk to me, or if she'll just act like she's still being raped. I don't know. Oh, and another thing, I don't know if I mentioned this about the halberd, you can't sprint with it out, so, that's a downside, but it's not too big of a deal, because people die so fast, and if they try to run away, they'll probably be dead by then. But I guess if they are running away, you'll never really catch them, unless you have a horse or something. So you see Theresa's right up here. I could go up and stealth kill one, but I just like don't even have to. He's trying to tell me how to play the game, but Henry at this point is a juggernaut, so he doesn't really need help.
Picsába mi ez? Nyírjátok ki a fattyút!
Még sajnálni fogod, hogy megjelentél.
Gyere, Gani! A picsába hagyd már! Elég volt, győztél!
Oops. Didn't mean to do that. That's awkward. Something else you see, sometimes they parry and it's like it doesn't even matter with the halberd, they just die anyways. So we're gonna go check on Theresa, see how she's doing. Wait, what was that? Very easy? Alright, cool. And, oh, not really a surprise, there's a bug already, you can't open that door. Well, that's disappointing. Okay, so I got inside. It's very interesting. So let's see what happens now. Theresa's kind of just sitting there. I killed them. I think she disappeared. It's disappointing. There's nothing good at the chest.
Left. Kalmur gets to the left, along the stream. Flee! Flee!
No!